Knotek here, coming to you from MarineMax Sail and Ski. We are in Austin, Texas, and today there is a boat that looks like it has just arrived at a location, and I wanted to tell you all about it. It's really unique, actually. It's a fish and cruise deck boat, a pontoon, actually a tri-toon. There's 3 tunes. This one is the performance level package 1, so you'll get 3 tunes on it, and it's got a very cool floor plan. Here's what it looks like. It's got that live well in the back, and the accessories are set up for being able to handle the sport of fishing. So starting off on the colors, it's the white diamond on the exterior, standard silver rub rail, beached hand enhanced seating package, so that buttery soft vinyl. This one's got the FC, we've already went over that. It's got a standard 10-foot bimini on this one, so nice that you can add additional coverage if you want to add one in the future. The 10 is a good place to start, and then it's got 3 tunes. The center tune's a little bit shorter on this model, and then it has a 28-gallon gas tank, 25-inch aluminum tunes on this one. It's got a 115 motor on it. That is a 4-stroke with command thrust. This one is got the desert beige seagrass on the flooring, which goes really well with that beached hand. It's got the 2 batteries with the selector switch, courtesy lighting, the 4-step stainless steel telescoping ladder, really popular with Harris. It's got the fence mounted docking lights, something not standard on this model. Upgraded steering wheel. It's got a 7-inch Simrad with sonar, so that's going to be important for fishing right there. It's all equipped, set for you, and your instrumentation needs. And then it's going to have a wash down hose and tackle station for the back of the boat there, and it's going to have the low back helm seats on this one, and just a basic system for the stereo. But jump you real quick into what it looks like. So this is what you're looking like on that live well in the back, which is what kind of separates this one from some of the other models. But once again, do appreciate y'all coming along with me on this. If you want to go ahead and like this, we appreciate any likes. If you want to give us any feedback about what we can do better on these videos, or if you want to subscribe, then you'll get the notifications when our new videos come out, so you can kind of see what boats are hitting the inventories. Feel free to do that. But I'm at 512-774-0866 if you want to contact me direct. Thanks a lot. Catch you in the next one.